Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we will talk about one of the problem which we all face with our iPhones. If you are an iPhone user, then definitely you must have faced this issue. This is about the iCloud storage. If you are buying a new iPhone, then you must have known that you are getting 5 GB of iCloud storage. Yes, 5 GB of iCloud storage Apple is providing what we are getting. And the thing is that after using for 3-4 weeks, definitely those storage will be full and you will be getting notification like your iCloud storage is full. So how to avoid this one? I have searched so many YouTube videos, and I found that everyone has the same problem. Like, they don't know what to do if the iCloud memory is full or the iCloud storage is full. So in this video, let's talk about this thing and how we can prevent it. We cannot encourage it unless you want to pay a huge amount to Apple. Else we cannot do anything with the 5 GB of cloud storage, but we can do some of the settings which can prevent that 5 GB of cloud storage. So first thing, if you are getting a new iPhone, there are some settings we have to change it. Like, this is the iPhone 11 guys, 11 Pro. In the settings you will see, if we'll go to the normal setting here, if we'll go inside this, then here you can see we have one option called as iCloud. Hope the camera will focus here. Yeah, this is the iCloud, and if you go inside, you'll see this photos. Actually, what happens by default, this photos backup is on. So whenever you are getting iPhone, once you are logged into your iPhone with your iCloud credentials, then the this iCloud photos automatically upload and save store all this thing. So this is by default on. So once you are on with this setting, then the photos will be backed up to your iCloud storage, which is about 5 GB of cloud storage. You have to do one thing: you have to turn it off so that it will not use any background data or any background application to upload the photos to the iCloud. Like this, you can prevent the iCloud from uploading the photos from your phone to iCloud. So guys, this is how you can save memories in iCloud. That 5 GB memory you can save in the iCloud, and it will prevent uploading the photos in the background to your iCloud. To upload your photos or backup your photos, you can use the free application from Google, that is Google Photos, which is giving us unlimited memory for photos. I'll make a separate video about that Google Photos and how to back it up and what should be the photo size and all. So as of now, we have only this option, like you can change the setting and you can stop uploading the photos to iCloud server. Hope you like this video guys. This is a quick video about that memory issue in the iCloud. Hope you like this. If you do, then please share with your friends and tell your friends who has iPhones. So thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you in the next one.